You don't necessarily need a laptop to create a channel on YouTube. You can use just your mobile phone. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you how you can start a YouTube channel in 2021, as well as teach you how you can create a channel with just your mobile phone and nothing else, because not all of us have access to a laptop or a desktop. Well, I created mine with just my mobile phone, so I'll show you the step-by-step process to get you started. Before I get into it, do well to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new here, hi, my name is Josephine Alagba. Subscribe to my channel. I make pronunciation videos, cooking videos, entertainment videos, DIY tutorials, and other amazing things on my channel. I upload 2 videos every single week, and I would really love you to join me on the next one. With that, let's get right into the video. For you to start a channel in 2021, there are certain things that you need to put into place before you actually create your channel. First, you need to decide what your channel is about. Is it about travels? Is it about lifestyle? Is it vlogs? Will you be making just vlogs on your channel? Or any other? What things are you interested in? What things would you like to talk about on your channel? You have to decide that and write it down in a note or something in your phone or anywhere. After doing that, you need to brainstorm video ideas. You can brainstorm up to 50, 20, 100, like as many video ideas as possible. And the third thing you want to do is to pick out your favorite video ideas from all of the video ideas you've gotten, if it's 10, 15, 20, 50, or whichever one, and then just do like a schedule. If you want to post just once in a week or twice in a week, you'll say, okay, I think I'm going to upload this one and this one for this week. Just have it arranged, like do like a calendar for your channel. And mind you, I'm not saying you should have you should make videos for like 2-3 months. If you want to do that, that's perfectly fine. But as a young YouTuber, you would want to post videos and then you check your analytics to know which of your videos are doing well, which ones your audience are really engaging with and interacting with, and those are the videos you would want to make more. You get? So me saying pick out your favorite videos and do like a calendar, a schedule for your channel, it's not me saying you should make videos that will last you for 2-3 months. No, because certain things might pop up and those videos might just be on standby while you make new ones and post to your channel. Okay, now after picking out your favorite ideas, the next thing you'd want to do is to create your channel art, because that's like one of the YouTube requirements for you to unlock certain features on your channel. Okay, and then when you create your channel banner or art, the next thing you want to do is to write out a description for your channel. You have what your channel is about, just write something short, long, something that people can really read to understand and get what your channel is about. I have mine here and it's quite long, so it was actually longer than this. I edited it, so the good thing about your channel description is that you can edit it whenever you want. You get? The next step is where we actually create the channel. I'm going to show you right on the screen how you can create a channel with just your mobile phone. So you open YouTube on your phone, the YouTube app, and then you click on this picture icon there to pick the Gmail you want to use for your channel. I'll be using my old Gmail to create this channel, so this is what we have here. You have this create channel, the blue link. You just click on it and that's just it. Now you go back and then you click on my channel. Then you have options to edit your channel or manage your videos. You click on edit channel and then we're going to write our channel description. You can use emojis if you want, so I'm just going to add an emoji here, so we are good to go. That's our channel description. And then you can also change the name of your channel. You know, it's Josephine Alagba. I'm going to change it to something else now. So this is now a new channel name, the Fun Channel. So of course the description says it's a channel for challenges and fun. Okay, so we can play around with these keys: privacy, keep all my subscription private, keep all my saved playlists private, and all of that. Now we'll go back to the channel and then we'll try to upload a video. So you just tap on upload and then you can record or go live, and then we'll just pick any of the videos and try to upload it. So I just picked this one I made a few days back. You can adjust the video, trim it, make it shorter, and then next you want to do is to add a title and then a description. Also, we are going to make our video private, yeah, so no one can see it, since we're just using this channel to learn. You can schedule your videos, also keep it private or make it unlisted, whichever one. Now the next thing, you want to choose if it's for kids or not, and then we start uploading. This can actually take longer time for longer videos, but for this short video it was really fast. And we just uploaded our first YouTube video. So after uploading the video, you can also make changes, you can edit and all of that. Like, there are lots of things you can do with just your phone, guys. So you don't actually need a laptop. If you're waiting for a laptop to start a channel, you don't necessarily need that. You can do that with just your mobile phone, as I've just showed you here. And the reason why the video is not showing on your channel is because it is private. So we'll try to make it public. You go to manage videos and then you click edit and then you scroll down, remove it from private to public. Once you do that, you go back to your channel and then you refresh. Once you refresh, you'll see your video. Just like that, we've created a channel on YouTube with just our mobile phone, guys. It's that easy. Now that you've finally created your channel, and the next thing you want to do is to make videos and then edit, make thumbnails, and just start your YouTube. So I'll be sharing few apps, free apps, really amazing apps that can get you started. My all-time favorite is inshot. Guys, that's what I use to edit like almost all of my videos, and it's absolutely amazing. It's free, although there's a pro version. You can definitely use the free version to make your videos. The number 2 app is Videolip. This app is also amazing. There are lots of features that you need that can make your videos pop and really great. I use Videolip to clone myself. If you've not seen my last video, I'll put a link in the description where I shared few commonly mispronounced words. You should definitely check it out, okay? Now the next app is Canva. Canva, like, we should all have Canva on our phones, because I mean, as a beginner YouTuber or even a pro YouTuber, you need Canva. Canva has lots of features you can use to make thumbnails, you can use to make a channel art, you can use to make your channel trailer, you can just everything you need. It's fun packed just for you as a beginner YouTuber and also for a pro YouTuber, okay? So Canva is a must-have app, okay? And then we have Snapseed. You can use Snapseed to make amazing thumbnails. And the one I just discovered of recent is Focos app. The Focos app is a picture app here, but it has this blurry background feature that I can also use to make really amazing thumbnails. I've not used this before, I just discovered it and I think it's really great. So that is just how to start a YouTube channel in 2021 and how to create a channel with your mobile phone. If you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more of these videos, do also let me know in the comment section. And oh guys, I need video ideas, so if you have any vlog idea or whichever one, just let me know in the comment section, okay? I'll see you guys on Thursday. Don't forget to laugh hard and love more.